Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering essentials: the Chromecast Ultra, its power/Ethernet adapter, and a phone with the Google Home app. First, plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your TV. Next, attach the included power cable. Chromecast Ultra needs that power to boot, and if you want wired internet, connect the adapter to Ethernet. Once done, leave the Chromecast powered and switch your TV to the HDMI input you used. So now you pair the Chromecast using the Google Home app. Open the app and choose Add, then set up Device and New Device. Your phone will scan and detect the Chromecast's temporary SSID. When you see the pairing code on TV, confirm it in the app. Next, choose Ethernet if you wired it, or select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure you pick the same network band your phone is on so casting works smoothly, and allow any firmware update to finish before continuing. Finally, verify the setup by casting from an app like YouTube or the Chrome browser. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast. Once connected, you can rename the device in Google Home and enable HDMI CEC for remote control if your TV supports it. If casting fails, restart the Chromecast and router, confirm your phone and the Chromecast are on the same network band, and check the power connection. If problems persist, perform a factory reset from the device in Google Home or by holding the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.